Haven't you ever been listening to someone reciting the Quran and you wish to recite as smoothly as he does? Or even if he was reciting the Quran differently and you are so curious, what is that thing they call it the 10 qira'at? Or have you even been reciting the Quran all your lifetime, yet not yet able to properly understand it? Said the Prophet ﷺ, be a person of knowledge, or a person who seeks knowledge, or a person who listens to knowledge, or a person who loves knowledge, and do not be the person number 5. Well, here we are, ready and steady, helping you to overcome the challenge. Because we believe that nothing is dangerous or destructive to our religion and to our society more than ignorance, or even worse, misconceptions and false teachings. Ulum Al-Azhar Academy is a private program managed by a group of Al-Azhar recognized scholars aiming to provide Quranic education to non-Arabic language speakers. We have prepared a full professional track of courses studying Quranic studies, whether general Quran recitation or Tajweed in all levels, moving towards 10 qira'at, reaching tafsir and Quranic studies, and of course, not neglecting Arabic language and Fardul Ain. Our instructors are highly qualified Al-Azhar University graduates. Our methods are a combination of both classic and modern methods, and our online teaching system is just the best. Once you start your class, we will assign a professional team working with you, assisting you to reach your objectives. Also, you will get private links to our platforms. Only you can use it. Quran teaching have been our mission for the past years, and we have developed a great professional experience in it. And more importantly, our courses are endorsed by Al-Azhar Al-Sharif in Egypt. In Ulum Al-Azhar Academy, we take Quran classes seriously. Here is Sheikh Ahmed inviting you to join the cause. Find the specialist. Find Ulum Al-Azhar Academy.